Well, after the rumors of Ducati also making a dirt bike, we have this. And you got to say, for being Ducati, being the, high quality brand it is, whatever you want to call it, this is a very nicely done reveal. And it's done well. It shows there's a bike, but it doesn't show enough of the bike to actually give you any hints on pieces of parts or anything. But it's good. I mean, this is, I think, cool. It's very well done. It's very aesthetically pleasing and whatnot. And this comes after the news yesterday that Tony Cairoli, or Antonio Cairoli, has left KTM. And that's because he has been signed by Ducati as a, what they call, high performance test rider or something like that. But there's a couple release points to this, or a couple points from the press release was Cairoli as a test rider. Ducati has signed a multi-year agreement with the Matti Racing Team, and Alessandro Lupino will serve as test rider and also racer, because they are debuting this bike, fully racing it, in the 2024 Italian Motocross Championship. I've also heard some rumors that they might do a couple mxgps, but who knows? Hopefully, let's say this hopefully, that Ducati does this a lot better than Triumph did with their 4 years of, here's a little piece, here's a little part, here's something this, and here's something that. Apparently this is just going to be it. Here, next year, we're racing it, boom, let's go. And this is cool, because to me, this is, exciting. Obviously, more brands racing means more money, means more seats for riders, which means more factory support for riders, which means hopefully more competitive racing and overall positivity for the sport. I don't think, as far as I've heard or read or seen, whatever, that there's any concrete plans for when this will be, when they'll be racing other series. Obviously, 2024 being the Italian series. Is that 25 coming over here, or is it 25 doing mxgp? I don't know anything past. I haven't read anything or seen anything about that, but it is going to be neat. Hopefully, with you gotta say, with how well Ducati's been doing in WSBK, MotoGP, BSB, World Superbike, in every form of road racing, two-wheeled racing, whatever you want to call it, they are dominating right now, and they are making absolute rocket ships. So, who knows? I mean, obviously, this is a very different brand, or very different kind of racing than on-road, but I'm assuming with how well they've been doing, they're not going to just throw some money at this and say, yeah, whatever, go finish 15th week, I don't care. No, they're going to come into this, especially signing Cairoli as a, race winner, MXGP champion, very fast guy. They're going to throw some money at this, and they're going to try and make it competitive. At least that's my hope. But in the comments below, you tell me, are you excited for this? Are you going to see them, if you're Italian, or you're going to go see them in an Italian championship race sometime? Who do you think, or when do you think they'll be coming over to other championships, whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.